Today, almost everything is connected with the internet. Your watch, your phone, your tab, your laptop, your computer, your TV, your car, and sometimes even your microwave. And there are apps for literally everything. An app to chat, a calendar app, a music app, a deals app, an app to meet friends, a search app, an email app, a taxi app, a photo app, a video app, a navigation app, a games app, a weather app. Apps, apps, apps for everything. And sometimes, the creators tell us that their app is so useful, we even have to pay for it. Well, let us dream a little dream. What if there would be an all-in-one app? An app giving us exactly the features and functions that we want and that we need. What if this app would be free to use, and instead of us paying for the app would pay us for using it? Wouldn't that be the perfect app? But it is getting even better. Simply invite others to use this free app and to get paid to use it, and you will earn even more. 5 generations deep. Each time when someone uses the perfect app, you will cash in. Nothing to sell, nothing to buy, nothing to pay, no job to do. Free forever. Welcome to the perfect app.